Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Volkswagen ID.6, Volkswagen's latest entry into the electric SUV market. This is a car that's generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It's big, it's electric, and it's packed with technology that makes it stand out in a crowded EV segment. If you're curious about the ID.6's design, features, performance, and whether it's worth your money, stick around, because we're going through it all. Starting with the exterior, the ID.6 immediately catches your eye with its bold and modern styling. Volkswagen has taken the ID family design language and expanded it into a larger SUV form, and it works really well. From the front, you get this smooth, clean look, with a sleek LED light bar connecting the headlights, giving it a futuristic, almost spaceship-like vibe. The bumper design is subtle but athletic, and it emphasizes the car's electric nature, with no need for a traditional grille. On the sides, the proportions are well balanced for a 7-seater SUV, with a long wheelbase that promises more interior space than you might expect from a car of this size. The sculpted side panels and sharp character lines give it some personality without going overboard, and the flush door handles add to the clean, modern aesthetic. Moving to the rear, the ID.6 continues the light bar theme across the tailgate, which really ties the design together. The taillights have a signature LED pattern, making the car recognizable even at night. Overall, the exterior is a great mix of elegance and sportiness, and it's clear that Volkswagen wants this SUV to stand out both in cities and on highways. Plus, the wheels are available in various sizes, including some striking aerodynamic options that not only look good but help improve efficiency. Stepping inside, the ID.6 offers a surprisingly spacious and tech-filled cabin. This is where the car really shines, especially for families or anyone who values interior comfort. The dashboard features a minimalist, horizontal layout, dominated by a large infotainment touchscreen in the center. This is paired with a fully digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, which is customizable and easy to read. The controls are mostly touch-based, with haptic feedback to make things feel responsive, and there's also a heads-up display available for added convenience. The materials feel premium, with soft-touch plastics, leather options, and some tasteful ambient lighting that gives the cabin a futuristic but welcoming vibe. Seating is comfortable and supportive, with plenty of space in both the front and second row. The ID.6 is available as a 7-seater, so the third row is practical for kids or smaller adults. Legroom and headroom are generous throughout, thanks to the long wheelbase, and storage is impressive as well. You get multiple cup holders, a decent center console, and a large cargo area that expands even further when you fold down the rear seats. Volkswagen has clearly thought about practicality, making the ID.6 suitable for long trips, family outings, or daily commuting with style. When it comes to performance, the ID.6 offers multiple powertrain options depending on the market. Generally, you can expect an electric motor setup that delivers smooth acceleration and quiet operation, typical of modern EVs. The rear-wheel drive versions provide sufficient power for city driving and highway cruising, while the all-wheel drive variants offer better traction and slightly more spirited performance. Volkswagen claims respectable range figures, often exceeding 300 miles on a full charge for the larger battery models, which is competitive for an SUV of this size. Charging is also convenient, with DC fast charging capability that can replenish the battery to 80% in under an hour on a compatible charger. On the road, the ride is comfortable, with well-tuned suspension that balances softness with control. Handling is stable, and the low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, makes it feel planted even around corners. The regenerative braking system is adjustable, allowing drivers to choose between a more natural coasting feel or stronger energy recovery. Technology and safety are also highlights for the ID.6. It comes with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. There's even optional hands-free driving assistance on highways in some regions. Connectivity is top-notch, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an integrated navigation system that updates over the air. Volkswagen has also included a comprehensive suite of apps and services to make EV ownership easier, from real-time charging station locators to route planning that accounts for battery range. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Volkswagen ID.6 comes in various trims depending on the region, typically starting around the mid-$40,000 range for base models and climbing toward the low $60,000 range for fully loaded all-wheel drive versions with premium options. Considering the size, technology, and electric powertrain, it's positioned competitively against other electric SUVs like the Tesla Model Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E, or BYD Tang. And when you factor in potential government incentives for EVs, the pricing becomes even more attractive. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen ID.6 is a compelling option for anyone looking to step into an electric SUV that combines space, technology, and modern design. It's practical yet futuristic, comfortable yet fun to drive, and it offers good value for its class. Volkswagen has clearly taken lessons from previous ID models and expanded them into a larger, family-friendly SUV without compromising on style or performance. For AutoStreet viewers who are considering an EV with 7 seats, a long range, and a well-thought-out interior, the ID.6 is definitely worth a look. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Volkswagen ID.6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AutoStreet for more detailed car reviews, comparisons, and everything automotive. I'll see you in the next one.